The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the NXT Women's Championship.
Remember, guys, the title is on the line here in this one.
And I don't remember the last time the champ was in this much jeopardy, Cole. Tonight might just be the night the title changes hands.
She is ready for this title match. It may be the biggest opportunity of her career.
The Hall of Famer, the most dominant female competitor ever.
A cross-division champion.
A woman who broke as many barriers as she did bones. Truly earned her spot in the WWE Hall of Fame. It is always an event when she hits the ring.
I guarantee you, if you look up must see in the dictionary, you'll see Chyna.
Introducing the challenger from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea. And her opponent from Redondo Beach, California, the NXT Women's Champion, the ninth wonder of the world, Chyna!
The challenger not taking their eyes off the championship.
And the champ is staring daggers right back at the opposition.
We call Chyna the ninth wonder of the world, a fitting testament to her imposing stature and jaw-dropping physical abilities. Chyna must be seen to be believed.
Chyna can toss any opponent, including grown men, around like rag dolls. She's unlike anyone we've ever seen before or since. A completely unique force within the women's division.
A seemingly unstoppable WWE icon. It could be another big night for Chyna.
But what Thea lacks in in-ring experience, she more than makes up for in a willingness to learn from her mistakes. She's always studying her matches, studying her opponents, and that teachable spirit will allow her to go far in this business. Drop kick! Only timed offense there. Ripcord. Oh my goodness, nasty line.
Oh, that'll weaken your arm.
Uh-oh.
An elbow will break that up.
legs are wobbling, but that's the least of her problems.
Beautiful athleticism. Boom, what impact. Locking up with one another.
Quick change of position.
Oh! Corey, what's the best approach you take against a superstar like Thea Hale? Someone so full of energy.
It's not pretty, Cole, but you gotta
Early cover for the title. She kicks out before one.
Yeah, far too early for her to expect anything else.
Really trying to do everything she can to get back in this. Oh, what a tackle.
You know she's thinking she can end it all here. From the middle rope, breathtaking hurricane run.
The advantage in Thea Hale's corner.
Yeah, Chyna's defensive instincts need to kick in.
Quick attacks like that could be trouble for the champion if they want to leave here with the title.
Into the suplex.
Looking for the pin, but was that enough?
2 count. Kick out. She still has life.
There's some shock in the arena after that kick out.
Thea Hale has the target acquired.
Cinched in.
Snapmare driver.
The challenger comes up big. Oh, going right into the pin.
And she's still in the game.
That was a matter of a fraction of a second.
Confidence must be waning as she hits the opposition hard, but still can't get the fall.
Oh my gosh, with one hand.
Ooh, slam.
With authority. Pops up their opponent.
Consider your title dreams dashed after that.
A kick out by the challenger, keeping the championship dream alive.
Somehow, this title is still up for grabs.
Now might be a good time to regroup. Rethink your plan.
That was a great opportunity to put this one away, but it slipped right through her.
No signs of either combatant backing down.
Quick thinking from Chyna.
It looks like we've got ourselves a brawl here.
Things have just gone nuclear. Warheads landing on the front lines now.
That shot ends things. Oh, Chyna with a military press. Look at the power.
Just disturbing power. Ooh.
The pin attempt by the champion. Forces the shoulder up after 2.
She just won't stay down.
Oh, caught Chyna by surprise.
Find some payback with their own reversal.
Ooh, what a forearm club.
Bodies must be writhing in pain right now. The breaking point must... Look out!
Oh, look at this. The schoolgirl. Emphatic kick out from the champion.
A long 2.5 in the waning moments of this match.
Oh, that'll give you whiplash. Far into the match, and Chyna isn't lighting up.
Thea has had flashes of control, but pops up their opponent.
Powerbomb.
Chance to retain here. The champ might have put this one to bed.
That's it. The champ stays the champ.
Here is your winner, and still the NXT Women's Champion, the Ninth Wonder of the World, Chyna!
A successful title defense for our